Cardio-respiratory system. Like all endurance athletes, long-distance cyclists need a high level of cardiovascular fitness. The cardiovascular system is made up of the heart and blood vessels. It works with the respiratory system, which is comprised of the breathing passages and the lungs, to deliver nutrients and oxygen around the body and to remove carbon dioxide and other waste. At the start of a ride, your pulse rate, heart rate and breathing rate begin to increase. During endurance exercise, your cardiorespiratory system works harder to provide oxygen to the muscles to support aerobic respiration. You start to take a greater number of breaths, with air passing through your nose and mouth down to the lungs. After passing into the bronchioles, it arrives into tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where gaseous exchange takes place, and oxygen molecules attach to the red blood cells, while carbon dioxide, which is produced as a waste product of respiration, leaves the bloodstream. Exercise increases your breathing rate, with a rise in the volume of air passing through the alveoli to the capillaries. It also increases your heart and pulse rates, and your stroke volume, which is the volume of blood pumped from the heart with each beat. The more you exercise, the stronger and more efficient your heart gets at pumping blood around your body. The heart pumps blood to the arteries and onto the capillaries. During endurance exercise, the body prioritizes blood flow to the muscles that are working hardest, diverting blood from areas that are being used less, like the digestive system, which is why it's not a good idea to have a big meal before exercise. After the blood has delivered oxygen, it's pumped back via the heart to the lungs, where it picks up more oxygen and the process is repeated. The more you exercise, the more efficient your muscles become, meaning they need less oxygen and produce less waste, so your lungs don't have to work as hard. Ultimately, cardiovascular endurance is the ability of your heart and lungs to keep supplying oxygenated blood to your working muscles, to give you the energy you need to keep on the road.